Mm? 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 Mm?
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh my God. What is he doing? Oh my God. Spider Kitty.
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into...
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
That's why